As you get started with each one of the workshops, you're going to want to go to the repo for each of the workshops, which will be linked in the material. And here we'll just look at the React Fundamentals workshop repository. Make sure you smash that star button, and then you can scroll down here, and the first thing you'll see here is the prerequisites. These are some articles or some tools or whatever, some assumptions that I make as you enter this particular workshop. So I'm making some assumptions that you know some of the JavaScript features that I'm going to be using in this particular workshop. So as you're coming into really any of these workshops, having an understanding of JavaScript and some basic HTML and CSS is going to be really helpful for you. And then also I expect you to have the React Dev tools installed because they're really super helpful. I use Chrome for all of the videos. You can use Firefox, you can use any other browser that you want to, but especially for the React Performance workshop, you're probably going to want to use Chrome because that's the browser that I'm using, and the tools they exist in the other browsers, but they're maybe a little bit different. So I would recommend using Chrome as you go through this material. Also, we're going to need to have Git, Node, and NPM installed, and these are the versions that we need for that. And if you have them installed properly, then you should be able to get those versions running these commands in your terminal. And then we'll have the setup script, which is basically the same for all of the repositories. You clone the repository, you cd into the repository, and then you run the setup script. And that's pretty much it as you get set up for each one of these workshops.